Hi Virgo, how are you? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. But you can also check and watch your moon and rising placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Virgo, maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you, Virgo. Oops. No. Too many. Virgo. Transformation. Change is the natural order of things. Do not be afraid of the unknown. Okay? Do not resist change, Virgo. Change is necessary. Pero para merong developments or improvements in life, do not be afraid. Embrace, accept change. Power. You have the power to take control of your life, career, and finances. Focus on your needs. Yes, hawak mo ang iyong buhay. Take control of it. Yung finances mo, yung career. Focus ka sa mga pangangailangan or kailangan mo to improve yourself. Virgo, investments. Investments made will have positive results that will bring prosperity. Invest wisely. Yung iba sa inyo, nag-iisip to capitalize yourself, mag-invest para sa sarili, okay? Invest or joint venture. Okay? For some of you, kung ano man yan, it will bring prosperity or magpa-prosper ang life ninyo. Okay? Because of that. Okay. Invest on yourself, on your talents and skills. Learn something new. Okay? Change is needed. You have the power to do it or not. Okay? So, let's see kung ano pa or ano yung mga messages from the tarot. Virgo. Virgo, please. Messages and energies for Virgo. Paligtad. Okay. Yes. Okay. Merong completion or new cycle in your home life. You feel that you have achieved something important sa family life mo. Merong contentment and joy na binigay sa inyo. Okay. Merong opportunity or chance for you na mag-improve ang life. Yeah. For some of you, you will be traveling. You are saving money for that. Okay. Merong completion, no? Sa life ninyo, whether sa work, finances, sa career, and you feel happy and proud of it, na may na-accomplish kayo. Okay. You're thinking about spending money to do or not to do. Okay. Sometimes you have to let go of control issues. Okay. You are reluctant to spend money on something. Parang pinag-iisipan mo, kinokontrol mo. Okay. Yes. Let go and embrace change. Something good will happen. Okay? Kung may mga control issues ka, you have to accept the current situation or yung current energy mo and embrace mo yung mga new insights and wisdom na maibibigay sa inyo na magdudulot, magbibigay ng abundance and prosperity in your life, kaluwagan. Yeah. You are experiencing harmony, okay, in your relationship, in your family, okay. For some of you, may na-complete na cycle in your relationship. Yes. In your home life. There is something na may gusto kang gawin, okay? But before you do it, think things thoroughly, review before you act, okay? Sudden event. Okay. Yeah. Kailangan ng self-discipline. You need self-discipline, Virgo. Meron kang gustong abutin, meron kang gustong gawin. You will be victorious in doing it. Okay? Choose your battle wisely kung merong mga challenges, kung merong mga distraction sa inyong gustong gawin. Okay? Yeah. Oh. Okay. For some of you, may mga disappointments or disagreements on things that you want to do in your life. Okay? Past experiences naglilinger sa inyo. Kung before you were heartbroken, and now parang bumabalik, okay? Naiisip nyo uli yun. Because some people are not truthful, okay? Para may mga ibang intention sa inyo. Merong hindi fair, okay? You have to let go of past hurts. Okay? And disappointments, you have to heal yourself from that. Yes. May mga significant na event na mangyayari, okay? Or na mga gagawin na gusto mong gawin. Pero kailangan mong pag-isipan din before you do it. You want to do something, okay? Creative. Despite of your busy schedule, okay? You need to manage your time if you want to pursue this. Okay? Yeah. Wish upon a star. You have a guiding star to do it. Okay? You will be emotionally contented, okay? And happy kung ano man to yung gagawin ninyo. Virgo, this is something na makapagbigay sa inyo ng good feelings. Your wish is coming true. Makapagbigay ito sa inyo ng freedom, okay? And value on yourself. Mm-hmm. Okay. Merong changes na mangyayari, okay? Merong improvement na mangyayari in your life. Commitment is needed. Okay? Kung ano man to i-engage ninyo na mga gagawin, you need to commit yourself on that. Okay? You will need the advice or you will need a mentor na mag-guide sa inyo. Okay? Kung may kailangan kayong i-clarify, you need some advice, may isang grupo or organization na makapagbigay sa inyo ng mga learnings and wisdom na makakatulong sa inyo towards your transformation, okay? Out with the old, in with the new. Something good will come into your life, a new beginning, okay? May change na mangyayari in your situation, Virgo. Okay. Choose your battle wisely, okay? May mga distraction or sa mga plans ninyo. You will be disappointed about it, but you have to ignore it, okay? You need to move forward, follow your dreams. Okay, may support na ibibigay sa inyo, okay? Kung kailangan ninyo ng tulong, may guidance, okay? From a group of people. Okay. Kung ano man to ang gusto ninyong gawin, be committed on that. Okay? It will bring something good for you. Okay? So you have a guiding star to do it. Go for it, Virgo. Okay? Let us see kung ano pa yung mga messages for you. Virgo, oops. We have the June, okay. June, this month is an important month for you. Maybe this is the month na magsa-start yung change para sa inyo, change in your situation, change in your routine, okay. Shield, you need to defend yourself. Okay. You need to defend yourself. Okay. But choose your battles wisely. April. Okay. Maybe may mga nangyari, important things na nangyari nung month of April. Okay. Or April is a memorable month for you. With sorrow over a loss. Okay. Barrel, you feel something is lacking in your life, perhaps love, money, or goals. Chair-filled, someone new is entering your life. Okay? Something new is entering your life. Maybe you will be connecting with people, new person. Okay? Important person. Okay, na magdudulot ng change in your situation or in your routine. So, these are the messages for you. Virgo, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!